Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I'm back with a Reaper Bones miniature. This is the Ettin from the Bones 4 Kickstarter set. He is primed in German Panzer Grey and I start off with tanned flesh for all of his skin. If there are any minis from the Bones 4 set you wish to see painted that I haven't done yet, let me know in the comments below or you can tweet at me. You could even come check out my Twitch stream. I stream Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at 8 PM UK time. If you have any questions or just want to say hi, I'll be happy to chat and answer anything while playing some games. Next is the fur clothing he is wearing using dark flesh tone. I chose this over fur brown as it has to be a bit more differentiated, as fur brown is very close to tanned flesh and dark flesh tone is just a bit more dark and separate. Now that the skin is dry, I used leather brown to do all of the straps around his body as well as the pouches around his waist. I then used charred brown to do the wooden parts like the barrel and the tree stump he is holding.
Next, I painted some of the metallic parts using rough iron. This guy is actually holding an anvil strapped to the tree trunk, which is such a cooler weapon than just a standard axe. I now take care of the pig strapped to his back using dead flesh, as I'm assuming most likely this pig is dead by the time it's hanging. I'd also take care of the hand coming out of the pouch with this colour. With dead flesh finished, I use the second metallic, which is gunmetal, for everything else on the menu that is metal. I do also do a sort of dry brush style highlight on the chains around his wrist. I then decided that the shield on his waist needed some work to make it sort of stand out that bit more, so I used hexed lichen to do 2 of these squares on it. I did also add some to the pendant around his neck just to make that stand out a bit more as well. I now add the second colour to the shield with jade green for the other 2 squares, as well as the other pendant around his neck. Next up, I used bone white to do all of the ropes and skulls around him. I don't do the teeth and eyes yet, as I want to highlight the skin before doing them. for the bone white to dry, I used ash grey to do the fabric around the handle of the tree trunk that he has. It's now time to start the long process of highlighting the skin using elf skin tone, making sure to leave the tan flesh visible around the recesses. I do leave a fairly large portion of tan flesh visible, as I'm hoping it will help blend when the wash goes on a bit more. Now that the skin is finished, I come back with bone white to do the teeth, eyes and all of his nails. Next up is matte black for his hair and the base. Before doing the washes, I wanted to make the base look a bit more than what I would normally do. I used dark stone to colour in all of the raised stones. To add a bit of variety to the base, I used Dungeon Grey to just add some different colour to these stones, just so that they look a bit more cobbled together instead of a uniform thing. Now I moved on to the washes, starting off with flesh tone for all of his flesh. To finish up, I use strong tone for everything else, including the base. That will be it for the Ettin. Probably one of my favourite minis from this Kickstarter set so far. As always, there will be photos of this guy on Instagram and Facebook. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below or ask on Twitter. You could also check out my Twitch stream. I stream Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays. Feel free to stop by, hang out while watching me play some games. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and as always, don't forget to be kind to each other.